Hey guys, it's 1.2, step 2, planning the paragraphs. And the directions here are to use the graphic organizers to draft your paragraphs. This is the second must-do for 1.10. So let's talk about planning the paragraphs. What do you need to be responding to? Well, the essay prompt is, how does the author use symbolism and characterization to make a point about dreaming for a better future? So your job is to respond to that in an essay format, but we're not going to make you write a full 5-paragraph essay for this first summative assessment. You are just writing your thesis statement and 2 paragraphs. So write about one of the characters in A Raisin in the Sun and a dream the character has and a symbol connected to that dream. All right, your graphic organizer looks something like this in your packet, and your must-do is to complete it, both graphic organizers for both paragraphs. And you're going to start by writing your thesis statement. Here it says, include the character, their dream, and a symbol. Use the sentence frame, and you probably already did this in part 1 of 1.10, but we just want to make sure that you have it and that you're focused on it, because this is your central point, your main argument that's answering the question. So an example is, in A Raisin in the Sun, Asagai's dream is to bring progress to Africa, and Lorraine Hansberry uses the symbol of a geometric line into infinity to represent how progress never ends for an idealist. You aren't going to write about Asagai. That is not an option for you. You're writing about Ruth, Walter, Benitha, or Mama. So put your thesis statement in here. Make sure that you include the character's name, the character's dream, the symbol, and what the symbol represents. Okay, the next thing to do is to create a topic sentence for your first paragraph. Now, your first paragraph is about the character and their dream, how they're fighting for it. So in your topic sentence, you're going to tell the main point of your analysis about your character and their dream. You're going to also include evidence, which is a quotation in this case that gives an example, and include a page number. And then the third thing that you need for each graphic organizer for each paragraph is an explanation. How does your evidence, this guy, connect with your thesis, this guy, and your topic sentence, this guy? Or how does the quote show something about them and their dream, something interesting about them and their dream? Okay, so here's a sample for you, or here are some tips for your topic sentence first, and then I'll show you my sample, which is also in your packet. So make sure you've got the name of your character for this first topic sentence, your character's dream, and then how the character is fighting for their dream. And so here's my sample on Asagai. The character, Joseph Asagai, considers himself an idealist who won't give up on his dream of progress in Africa. And here is my completed graphic organizer for paragraph 1. I've got that topic sentence here. I've got my quote with the page number, and then I have my explanation where I'm explaining how this quote helps to, how it connects to my topic sentence, how it proves my topic sentence, and how it connects to the thesis statement. This is also in your packet. All right, the second paragraph is your paragraph about the symbol. And so in this paragraph, you once again need the point, evidence, and explanation. You're, for the point, going to include the symbol and the name of the playwright, and then how it connects to the dream. For your evidence, you want the quote and page number, and explanation is explaining how this example proves your topic sentence and your thesis statement. For this topic sentence, you want to make sure that you're telling the main point about the symbol, include the symbol, include the character, and then what the symbol represents. Put it all in a sentence. Here's the sample. A symbol that Hansberry uses to show Asagai's dream of never-ending social progress is a line that reaches into infinity. All right, you do the same for your symbol. And it goes here. Then make sure you have a quote for this paragraph about your symbol, and then you're going to have the explanation next. All right, so this is what you need, the second part of the must-do for 1.10, and after this you can draft your paragraphs and share them with your teacher, just follow the directions in the packet, and that will ensure a high grade because you'll be getting feedback directly from the teacher on what you should add to it in order to get that A grade. Okay, good luck as you work on finishing your graphic organizers, and I do hope you take us up on writing the paragraphs and sharing them as a should do and an aspire to do.